Hello everybody, I am just wanting to share with you the new Harmony blend or Harmony kit that doTERRA has put out, and it comes in a cute little box like this. It's kind of, there you go, Harmony. And it also comes with this booklet, which I didn't know it came with, but inside the book are a list of blends that you can create that have these oils in them, among others that are probably in your stash. And then they have labels that you can put on the roller bottles or the bottles that you put your blend in and label what it is. And there are so many different blends. There's just pages of blends and blends and blends that are super helpful and useful. And so you can research what the oils are for. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about these three oils, but as far as the oils that go in those blends, to see if they'd be useful for you. So it just slides off like this. And then you have the three new blends, which are pink pepper, green mandarin, and star anise. And then you get 2 empty roller bottles, and inside this cute little box inside there are the pipettes so that you can take the oils out of there and put them in the roller bottles. And then you get the roller that you can stick on the bottle. So let me start with green mandarin. So green mandarin is similar to other citrus oils, but it's more of a tart, sweet smell and taste. And you can use these all three ways. You can use them aromatically, topically, and internally. And what I like about the green mandarin is that it's great for not only adults, but also for children who might struggle with stress or anxious feelings. And so it is very calming and helpful for that. And so you can put it in your diffuser and have it going to be very calming. In addition to the emotional benefits of mandarin orange, it's also great for your skin. So if you've had any kind of scarring or stretch marks, discoloration on your skin, age spots, this is a great oil that supports your skin. So you can just put those on topically. You can put them with your lotion and rub it on. Just a great oil that you can use for that. Also is a great immune support, so it helps to support your immune system if that's something that you want. I know I have 6 kids, so I love having anything that I can use to support that. Also, this one has just a list, and just a list probably 15 things long of different ways that it supports your digestive system. So if you have any need to have support for your digestive system, this is a great oil that you can use. And so you can also use it internally. So putting it in a couple of drops of water and drinking it, putting it in a capsule. You can cook with it. So if you want that sweet tart taste of like more tarty type orange, this is a great one to use, and I'm excited to use that. Like I said, nervous system support as far as like calming the nervous system and relieve stress. So the next one is pink pepper. Oh, and this one is a little bit, it's kind of that color when it comes out. And so when you put it on your skin, and I just barely put it on, and it didn't discolor my skin. Yeah. So it didn't discolor my skin. I mean, initially it did, but then it absorbs rather quickly, and it's very light and thin, so it comes out pretty fast. So just be aware if you get it, you'll want to be careful with that. And then pink pepper is beautiful. The smell is, it's a little bit similar to black pepper. It's not, I can't really describe it other than it's a sweet, has a bit of a sweet floral smell to it. It's heavenly. And it is clear, it doesn't come out pink. I was hoping it came out pink, but it has properties that are similar to black pepper. So thinking any kind of support for muscles or joints, if you're getting a little older and you need, that kind of support for your joints, it's great that you can use it topically for that, as well as internally. So it's a great support for proper inflammatory type responses. And black, it's not from the same botanical as black pepper, but it does have similar properties. But in addition to those things, it's also great for supporting your circulatory system. So if that's something that you need some support with, I like to put it on my feet and my hands, so I have some support with that. And then also any kind of respiratory complaints or support. You can rub it on your chest. Diffuse it is supportive there. Now the thing that's really cool about this is it's very good at helping you to wake up, be very alert and awake, be able to focus. And so it might be one that you don't want to put on right before bed, or you could experiment a little bit with that, because there are people who put on oils that are a little more stimulating and it actually helps them to fall asleep. So I wouldn't say that it would make you stay up at night, but just be aware that if you're needing to enhance your alertness or stamina, that this would be a great oil to use. Also, if you need something for like a diuretic, digestive issues, for women, that time of the month, this is a great time to use this oil. You can apply it just topically to your abdomen, and it's very supportive of those natural things that happen for us when we're women. And then in addition, helps to support your immune system. So love that we have this available now. And then the last one is star anise. And this one doTERRA has had, but just not in a single oil. And so it's in some of the blends, and one of them is cheer. And why I bring that up is that star anise is really great for emotional support. So if you are needing that pick me up, if you've had one of those bad days, or you have a child that is just down and you want to have something that is natural and quickly helps elevate their mood, that this is one that you can diffuse, and it smells great. And so that would be my first thought of this, but I would say go and Google this or pull out one of your essential oil books and take a look at star anise. There are a gazillion different uses for this, and a lot of them I can't mention because it's not compliant for me to mention what it's all good for. But that's my challenge to you, is to go research the research that has been done on this oil, because it's one that you'll want to have in your stash of essential oils. So hopefully if you can get up to 2 of these. They did put a limit on them because they'll probably sell out. And so I would recommend you getting one for yourself because you'll love it. And then get one for your mom or your mother-in-law or a sister or your girlfriend or whoever. This is really fun, and I was pleasantly surprised that this booklet comes in there and the different blends that are available. So there you go. There's an overview of the new Harmony kit that's available for a limited time through doTERRA. And I sound like a salesperson when I say it like that. But anyway, go get those oils. They're great. Thanks.